Welcome back to my channel Maths Brain, and really interesting challenge today, 3 times 3 divided by 3 times 3. Maybe this is challenge you've ever seen. We have multiplication, division, so everyone learned this stuff in the 3rd grade, so that's fantastic. And right now go ahead and write your answer down into the comment section, try to solve it by yourself. Let's use your supercomputer in our head and let's test your brain power. Let's choose one option, what do you think is correct, and write your option down right now in the comment section. I give 98% that you solve this question absolutely wrong, because this is a very tricky challenge and a lot of students go wrong, and a lot of students make this common mistake. So first of all, here's our challenge, and I want to rewrite this challenge right here. So we have 3 times 3 divided by 3 and times 3. So here's our challenge. And a lot of students solve this question like that. They say, okay, right here we have multiplication, yeah? And right here we have multiplication once more. So we have the same thing on the left and on the right hand side. We can easily multiply this side equal to 9. And right here we have the same multiplication, which is equal to 9 as well. Okay, with this division in the middle, so we have 9 divided by 9, which is equal to 1. We have this option A right here. So a lot of students solve this question like that. They say that this is a correct solution to this challenge. But I want you to understand that in math, in terms of math, we should know what is the correct property, correct rule, correct order of operation, because obviously right here, whatever order of operation we select, we will have like a different answer, right? And we should know what is one and only one correct order of operation, okay? And this is really important moment. So for this question, let's look, for example, at this PEMDAS order of operation, okay? So let's solve this question. It looks like it was our first interpretation, but right now let's go with the second interpretation. But in this interpretation, let's solve this question according to this order of operation, because this is our randomly interpretation. We solve this question wherever we want. We just jump from left to right, and here's maybe the main question: is it correct or not, or incorrect? Okay, and right now let's solve this question according to this PEMDAS order of operation. So we have 3 times 3 divided by 3 and times 3. Okay, so first of all, PEMDAS works from the top to the bottom. So from the top, the higher priority, and on the bottom, the lowest priority. Okay, so first of all, parentheses, I don't see any parentheses, so we just skip this part. What about exponents like squares, cubes? I don't see any of those. We don't have any exponents, so we just skip this part as well. What about multiplication, division part? Let's look at it. Yeah, we have a lot of multiplication and division signs. So we have multiplication sign right here, we have division sign, and we have multiplication sign. So this is our first step to evaluate our expression in this multiplication, according to this multiplication division group. Moreover, we don't have addition and subtraction, so we can easily skip this part. So we have only multiplication and division part. But here's maybe the main question: what is the correct order to do this problem? From left to right, from right to left, from middle to right, from middle to left. This is maybe the main thing right here. And here's my answer. According to PEMDAS, correct order is the next one. We should scan what is the first sign from left to right. When we have a lot of multiplication division sign and we have expression with multiplication division sign, according to PEMDAS, you should scan what is the first sign from left to right. In this case, the first sign from left to right, we have all these 3 signs, and the first one is this one on the left hand side. So we have the first step is multiplication, 3 times 3, which is equal to 9, and we still have this division by 3 and multiplication by 3. So as you can see, completely the same step as right here, but the second step is completely different, because before we multiplied 3 times 3, and right now we want to divide 9 by 3, because this is our first sign from left to right. So once more we scan what is the first sign from left to right. It's not this one 3 times 3 as we did it before, but right here we have this division sign on the left hand side, so we should start from this division. So we have 9 divided by 3 equal to 3, and 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. Okay, 3 times 3 equal to 9, and this is option C. So let's write our answer. But one really important moment: we have 9C and we have 1A. What is the correct answer? 1 or 9? As I told before, this is randomly interpretation, because we solve this question wherever we want. But in terms of math, we should know what is the correct order to do this problem. And if you're talking about order, the best thing is this PEMDAS order of operation. And according to order of operation, we solve this question in this second interpretation. This is absolutely randomly solution. We should put brackets if we want to get it correctly, because right here we jump from left to right. We just do this randomly, but with parentheses. Okay, this is a correct solution. 1 is a correct solution with parentheses. Right here multiplication, right here multiplication. When multiplication is inside parentheses, multiplication has the higher priority than division. Okay, but without this it has the same priority. So multiplication, division have the same priority, as I told before, from left to right, step by step. So this is my explanation to this challenge. I hope your answer is the same as mine. I hope you choose this option C, which is really important. And I wish all the best. See you in the next videos. And of course, write your suggestion down into the comment section about this challenge. And what do you think is a correct solution? What do you think about this explanation? So see you in the next videos.